Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification for instant updates.
Hello Free Tree family, welcome. Today we're going to see about concatenate function and how to use it along with dates and generic numbers. So let's jump right to it. So here we have a database where we have the employee number, the first name and the last name. So there's a lot of ways to combine this, right? So eventually what I want is, I want a format like this, right? I want an open bracket, then I want the employee number to be inside the brace and the brace closed, and then a dash, and then I need Raul, the first name, and the second name after that. There's already spaces after Raul and there's space between Vinci, so I don't have to do any extra spaces. This is how I want the format to be. Alright. Now there is two ways to accomplish this. One is by using not using concatenate, but just using ampersand symbol. This ampersand symbol you can directly use. So how do you do that? So you literally type the way you want and then go here, go to the formula tab, press is equal to, and wherever you can reference to a cell reference and wherever you want a specific character, you put it within double quotes. That's it. Alright, so there's an open bracket here, that's a special character, so you put that inside double quotes, and then you have to add, so you have to put an ampersand, and EMP, this is an employee number, so you reference it, and because you referenced it, you can delete the EMP. And the closed brackets is again a special character, so you have to put an ampersand to add, and then again double quotes, and then even the dash is a special character, so I have to put that also inside the double quotes, and then the first name comes ampersand first name, and then I can remove Raul, and then Vinci is the second name, again I have to put ampersand and then Vinci, and I can delete Vinci. That's it, right? This is the easiest way to add different text across different cells using just ampersand, right? So in concatenate, we just replace the ampersand with comma inside a concatenate function. That's it, right? Let's just do it. So we just go to concatenate, and then concatenate still recognizes the double quotes and the special character as text, so it reads as text1 comma reference, which is the text2 comma text3 comma text4 comma text5. It will still yield the same result. If I copy and paste it down, it will still the same result, right? This works perfectly fine until you want to add one more. For example, you want to have joining date, right? And then you put, let's say, 14th of July, and then you want to add +2, right? You put this like so. Now here, instead of having the employee number, if you want to reference to joining date, let's see what happens, right? I just drag it to the joining date and I press enter. Look what has happened, right? I have a reference to the joining date, which is 14th of July, but it is showing 44391. Why is that? That's because Excel doesn't see dates. It sees only numbers and text. In fact, more philosophically, Excel doesn't even see numbers and text. It only sees zeros and ones. But jokes apart, it only sees numbers and text. So Excel doesn't see this as a date, it sees this as a number. So you have to put this within a function to format it the way you want. And the function we're going to use is text, right? So how does text work? So text is a function. You have to type text and then select the value, what value you want to convert, that is this, right, comma, in what format you want it. You have to put the format within double quotes. So for example, you can put double quotes, yeah, what is the date? So date dash month, you want the entire month to come, like JUL, so July, MMM dash, you want the year also, just the 2 digits, YY. And that gives you the format you want. If you just put 2 imps, that's going to return in numbers again. Or if you want to have all the 4 years, you can still do that. So you can format it the way you want, right? So we're going to use this text function in combination with concatenate to get the proper format. So again, we concatenate the first string, second string, we're going to put this inside a text. What value? It is still C3, comma, what is the format we want? In dd-mmm-yy, and that should give us the proper format that we want, right? And that's how you solve it. I hope this was useful. Thank you for your time.